Hi guys! If your mornings are anything like mine, getting yourself ready might seem optional, but I'm going to show you how I do it in just 3 minutes. I'm Laura, and as a former makeup artist, I love sharing easy style and beauty tips that help moms feel their best. Okay, so I'm usually up by 6:30, it's still dark out, and the girls are still asleep, and I luckily have time just to get my coffee down before they wake up.
Morning, Mommy!
Morning, guys! Then it's time to start breakfast. Okay guys, Livy, take another bite, baby. Or color. Do it harder.
Mom, I thought you were making breakfast.
I am. I'm waiting for your toast to be done. Pack lunches. Hey, we gotta cook the pasta. Feed Boo-Boo. And then I actually get them ready in the kitchen. I keep their school clothes and I even brush their hair and teeth in the kitchen. Keeping everything in the same room makes it so much faster, and I know it's a little unconventional, but it works for us. So at this point, I have about 3 minutes to get myself ready. We gotta hurry! And luckily I have my girls to keep me in check. Okay, first the face. Especially when I'm in a hurry, I look for products that will minimize steps. So after I do a super quick face wash, I love to use this tinted moisturizer from First Aid Beauty. Not only does it hydrate and give me SPF 30, it also gives me amazing coverage so I don't even need foundation or concealer and my skin looks even.
Mommy, you could do it!
Thanks, you guys. For an extra illuminating finish, I use a slightly lighter shade just over my cheeks, under my eyes, and a little over my nose. And that is all I do with my face. Next, eyes and lips. Putting on full makeup in a rush never ends well, so I keep it simple. First, I curl my lashes while applying my mascara by holding the wand at the tips for a few seconds. Then I gently stamp the mascara brush against the roots of my lashes for some subtle definition. A little on the bottom lashes.
Go, Mom! Go, Mom! Go, Mom!
And lip gloss is a non-negotiable for me.
1 more minute, Mom.
I'm going. Next, the hair. Now, I've mastered some quick hairstyles, so I'm going to show you my favorite. I start with some dry shampoo on the roots for a little volume, and then I just twist and pin a small section to the top.
She's gonna braid it.
Braid the rest to the side and loosen it up. The messier it looks, the more forgiving. Okay, I did it!
Still going!
Oh my god, I have 20 seconds left! Alright, time to get dressed. And finally, the uniform. Time to change out of my pajamas and into something just as comfortable, but a little more versatile. Almost done. Joggers, a plaid button down, ankle booties, and we're out. I did it! Yeah! Let's go to school! Come on! In just 3 minutes, I look put together enough for the whole day, and I still made it in time for drop-off. Let me know in the comments what tricks you have to get out of the house in a rush, and I'll see you next week, guys. Bye!
Don't get me, Laura, you look amazing. Bye, guys.